So this video is going to have 2 days worth of skiing in it. One from about a week ago because I haven't posted anything in a while, and 2 from today. There's just something so beautiful about sitting on top of this mountain and just looking at this view. I don't know if you guys could see it, but this time I got a lot of steam going on. I don't know if you can see it. Whew. I fell on my face today skiing. Not the best feeling in the world, but I did anyways. And I picked myself up and got down the mountain and went up again, rode down again, did the same thing, but didn't fall. And I just realized that in life, you know, if you fall, you have to pick yourself back up. Nobody's gonna have that, you know, desire to help you. And I mean, obviously, if you fall on your face while you're skiing, someone's gonna offer you help. Someone actually did offer to help me, but what I'm saying is, you know, people aren't always gonna be around to help you back up when you fall. So, you know, just learn to pick yourself back up. And if something is hard, you know, just keep doing it until you get it right. And the only reason why I fell was because I wasn't on the actual path today. I was kind of going off, and yeah, and there was too many dips, and my goggles were like all watery because it was raining and stuff, and just boom, straight on my face. Got up, went back down the mountain, went up, went and did the same exact path again, did it right, and just kept going, and it was just fun today. Well, that's what I'm gonna leave you guys with. We fall in order to pick ourselves back up.